Welcome to Factory Documentary. Today, we'll take you inside a modern chocolate factory and reveal the fascinating process of making delicious milk chocolate. Let's begin our journey. Every delicious chocolate bar begins with fresh, high-quality milk collected from carefully managed dairy farms. The journey starts with nature's finest ingredient. Inside the factory, fresh milk is blended with premium cocoa, sugar, and cocoa butter. Every ingredient is measured with precision to create the perfect recipe.
The chocolate is refined into an incredibly smooth texture before entering the conching process, where continuous mixing develops its rich flavor and creamy consistency. The silky chocolate is poured into molds and cooled under carefully controlled temperatures, creating perfectly shaped chocolate bars.
Advanced packaging machines seal every chocolate bar to preserve freshness. Automated inspections ensure each product meets strict quality standards. From the factory to store shelves, every chocolate bar completes an incredible journey, bringing a smooth, creamy, and unforgettable taste to millions of people every day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this factory documentary, please like this video, subscribe to our channel Factory Documentary. Stay with us for more interest. See you in the next documentary.